Hello my guys, Bullet here. In this episode I have a little product for the 2000 Honda Accord. We're gonna do some LEDs and I want to thank Auxito for the support. I have few LEDs in here. I just need to show you what we have and how you can use them. But in this case the installation is gonna be on the 9005, which is gonna be high beam for my Honda Accord. Or if you have fog lights or low beams and you require 9005, this is the way to go. And also we have some 194 or T10 LEDs. Those for my Honda Accord is gonna be on the doors, on the trunk, and the map light. In this case we have few LEDs from Auxito, different models, but I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use these lights. If your vehicle requires 9005, but you have the 9005 as a running light as well, like on some vehicles like the 2009 Honda Accord or like the 7th generation Accord, those probably they're gonna need a decoder, because if you're running the LED, probably, I'm not sure, but probably you're gonna need something like this, a decoder, so you don't have the error on your dash and your LED is not blinking. So you're gonna need that. In my case, I don't need it. We can just put the lights and it's not gonna be a problem. Same thing right here. If you have H11s for your fog lights, you can use these because this is not really bright. And this is okay to use on fog lights because the fog lights, they don't have any cover on the front of the light, so it's a direct light. You don't want to blind oncoming traffic, so this is gonna be a good option for fog lights. If you require H11, like some vehicles on the low or high beam, we have H11s in here, but these ones, I used to run them before on my fog lights on the Honda Accord because this is H11, but it's amber H11. Right here I have 921 for the reverse light on my RAV4, and I have a T10. This one is super bright, but on this episode we're gonna focus on these T10s. I'm gonna put them on the doors. Let's see how they look. And right here we have some switchbacks from Auxito. This is a switchback 7443, but those, they're gonna need a resistor. These resistors are from Auxito as well, plug and play, and with this one you need to cut into the cables. I like this design a little bit better than the bulky ones with fan, because sometimes you don't have room. When you don't have room, this is good to use. In this case, I can go either way. On the Honda Accord we have plenty of room on the back. We have the light in position and connection. Don't worry about that film. We're doing some testing on this cheap film from eBay, but the light is in place with the LED chips facing to the left and to the right. If you see right here on the door, halogen bulbs, really ugly. I really don't like them at all. Let's grab a new one from Auxito. These ones, they have a lot of LEDs. I think they're gonna be really bright. One way it works, either way. Lot of difference, huh? Now let's check the high beams. That's gonna be Auxito on the passenger side, and the halogen bulb on the driver's side. And that's the look of the light. Auxito is 6500K, so it's gonna look super white, and that's the way I like. If you get something like more natural, more like a halogen, you can get 5500K, but in this case I prefer 6500 because it's not too blue, not too yellow, it's just perfect, pure white. And that's the T10. You can also put those T10s right here on this daytime running light on the bottom. You can put them on your license plate light. Also you can put them on your map light. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. We're just gonna wait until it gets dark so we can show you how they look at night, the Auxito versus the regular bulb. Those are the low beams, and this is the high beam. You can see right there how fast is the Auxito compared to the halogen bulb. Super bright on your passenger side. Right here on the garage door, halogen Auxito. Auxito is super bright, so direct. It doesn't look like it's all over the place. You can see the difference right there. And if you have a projector, it's gonna be even better. Okay guys, I'll leave you with that. I'm gonna have a link in the description for these T10s and for this 9005 from Auxito. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.